Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am SJ and today I want to share something about sustainable fashion with you. So sustainable fashion, thankfully, cross our fingers, is becoming more mainstream and cool, which is great not only for us as individuals but for the entire fashion industry and the entire planet. It means that there is less fast fashion, less going directly into landfill, and we're all just living and behaving and acting in a more conscious, eco-friendly, sustainable and ethical way, which is really great. I remember personally when I started becoming more aware about sustainable fashion in particular, I was like, where do I start? Like, there was no formula and there was no fact sheet that I could refer to of brands that were sustainable and doing well, what to look for in my clothing and what I didn't want to be supporting. In particular, what brands could I support? Because I think that's really important to understand, is that where you choose to buy from, you're supporting that company and that brand and their ethos and their intentions and everything that they do as a company. So I'm going to share with you a haul today of a company called Everlane. Everlane. The Everlane tagline is actually ethically made and radically transparent. So let's do fashion, but make it ethical. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into it and I will give you a little bit of a try on haul and I hope that you enjoy, because personally I love these kinds of videos. So I'll see you in my dressing room. I am obsessed. These are also surprisingly stretchy. I can do yoga in these bad boys. 100% human, yeah. So the 100% human baseball cap. These shoes are called the Forever Sneaker. They're 50% recycled cotton canvas, 50% cotton canvas upper, and a rubber sole. The 90s cheeky denim short, and they are 100% organic cotton. Or you could pair it with one of the organic cotton long sleeve tops. See why I love them? Ah, look at that fit. So this is the original cheeky jean in sky blue and regular length. And this is the modern Breton tee in sunrise. So this is the 100% human. So it's 100% human for 100% human rights. Cha-ching. I'm gonna tie it at the back. Give me some shape. So one of my other favorite things about Everlane is that they also do really good activewear. And when I say good, I mean really good. It's like wearing a hug. So this little number is the Perform bike short and the matching crop. It's really insanely supportive, and best of all, it's made using recycled nylon. Woo! This is the Perform Unitard in bitter chocolate. It's got a really cute low back. It hugs like a dream, like an actual chocolate dream. It's full length, all the way down to the floor. Woo! And again, this one is the Perform bra. This one is in the color copper, and I am a fan of this color. And the bottoms are the Perform legging in a deep Aegean, whatever the C is. I don't know how to pronounce that, my bad. Oh, I can't wait to move and groove in this. It's inspiring me to go for a run or to start belly dancing, apparently. It's got a tiny hidden pocket on the inside of the pant. So you can store stuff in there, like keys, maybe even your phone. That would fit my phone. Something you didn't want to lose, earrings, jewelry, I don't know, whatever you store in your pants normally. Yay to brands like Everlane doing it right and comfy and making fashion not only look good, affordable, good for the planet, good for you, but just so darn cute. And last but not least is the short sleeve crew cut bodysuit. So it looks like a t-shirt, but I've actually just worn it with a pair of pants so that you can wear it casual, or dun dun dun, take it off. So now it's a bodysuit. So I actually got the thong cut, so it's super cheeky on the bottom, as you can see. Da-da, da-da, da-da. Woo! What a haul. So that is it from me, my friends. If you would like to learn anything more about Everlane or anything that you saw today, you can head over to their website, or I'll link stuff below as well, so that you can find it really easily. It's a really beautiful brand. They're doing great things, and I highly recommend that you check it out for yourself. Try-ons are exhausting.